Hey guys, this recipe with 5 simple upgrades will make your coconut cake actually taste like the best you ever have. Hi, I'm Landon. Let's make it. Start by preheating your oven to 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease, light, flour your cake pans, and I'm using 3 8-inch pans here. Now upgrade number 1, my signature 1 bowl mixing method. Everything goes straight in. Sugar, softened butter, eggs. Yep, I'm using cold eggs. Baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix on high for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. No room temperature eggs needed, and I actually did not wait to soften the butter either. I microwaved cold butter for about 20 to 30 seconds earlier. See? Perfectly creamed. Now add coconut milk. Normally the cream got separated from the water, so we want to remix them, and a fork will get the job done. Lemon juice. Now this is not a lemon cake, so butter juice is fine too. After that we add oil, coconut extract, almond extract, and vanilla extract. Now I know that's a lot, but this is where most coconut cakes fall flat, having just one-dimensional coconut flavor. And that is our upgrade number 2, flavor layering. With all this, we get a flavor that's much more complex, even above bakery level. Add cornstarch and flour. Notice that we don't need sifting, easy peasy. Now we mix for a total of 30 seconds with some scraping. No overbeating to ensure tender crumbs. Here's light upgrade number 3. We have cornstarch which contains no gluten. We have acidity from lemon, and there's baking soda, all weaken gluten structure. That results to a super soft, tender cake without the need of cake flour. Simply fold in unsweetened desiccated coconut. Very important here, this is not regular coconut flakes. Now divide into your pans, tap to remove air bubbles, and bake for about 28 to 33 minutes. Trippets should come out clean. Let them cool to touch, then take them out and cool completely. Trimming off the domes is easiest when the cake is still warm. So soft. I like my cake levels, plus I get to taste it first to ensure everything tasty. Yum! Now cream cheese frosting adds the tanginess that goes so well with the warm sweet flavor of coconut. The written recipes show you just how simple it is. You can adjust cream cheese to your liking, but let's talk upgrade number 4. Now this cake is already moist because we're using all-purpose flour, which produces moister cake compared to using cake flour. We use oil in addition to butter, so we get both the moisture and the flavor. Also, whole eggs make cake richer and moister, and to me that is more valuable than whiter cake with egg whites. Let me know your opinion on this. Optionally, but I highly recommend for extra moistness, brushing on a simple cake soak. It's also a bakery trick. Just sugar, water, and a little bit of either coconut or vanilla extract. Up to you. This keeps the cake soft moist for extra days, and it adds even more flavor. Simply dapple it on the cake. Now apply frosting about a 1/4 inch between the layers, then coat the outside. It doesn't have to be perfectly smooth here, as we'll coat it with these soft, moist baker's angel flakes. Just simply pass them on. And we dry them out, so find the softest, moistest flakes you can get. Here's a little comparison so you can see not all coconut flakes are equal. And that is upgrade number 5, coconut mastery. Inside the cake we have desiccated coconut for a fine, soft, fluffy texture. On the outside we have these super soft, moist, written flakes. The contrast in texture makes it feel luxurious. If flakes were used in both inside and outside, the cake would be too chewy and texturized, and that doesn't sound so good. Finally, the bonus upgrade, totally optional, toasted coconut flakes, which I did earlier when waiting for the cake to cool down. Simply press them onto the bottom half of the cake. You get this warm, nutty flavor, toasty aroma with a bit of crunch, and a really nice visual contrast a regular coconut cake missing. Just look at that, how beautiful. Absolutely the best blue ribbon worthy coconut cake. Super soft, moist, layered with flavors and texture. Oh my, this is so good. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe for more easy recipes. And lastly, my small channel would really appreciate your help with any like, comment and share of this video. Thanks so much friends. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.